Reader mode has a handy progress bar that represents the reading progress of the content users are reading. To allow users interact with this feature, you have to enable the reader mode feature from settings. To enable and display the reading progress bar, go to Reader Mode Settings page, General Settings, Enable Progress Bar. Now the reading progress bar will be visible in General Mode, and inside the Reader Mode layout. You can customize the progress bar styles and colors. To customize the progress bar, go to Reader Mode Settings page, Display Settings. From the General tab, you can select Display Post Type. From the Progress Bar tab, you can customize and change progress bar position at top of the page or bottom of the page. Progress bar color can be customized in solid or gradient variants. The progress bar height also can be increased or decreased.